score
Second place goes to 13:45, and that is
of
Nottingham.
76.5.
Boys are entering Nottingham running second place ribbon here in the second round. 14:05 will take the third place, and that is Kentucky. Jan Sua, the rider in Richmond, North Carolina. 14:02 will take the fourth place ribbon in the second round. That entry number is assigned to Galahad. Bridget Deedy, rider in Durham, North Carolina. And now for the pre-adult challenge. Results in the challenge, 13:45 tops the field. As a big congratulations will go to Nottingham. Florida Packers from Happy Costco. North Carolina, earning blue ribbon for the challenge. Job well done, Jordan. Second place goes to 1444. That is Heartthrob, Miss Sarah Grant. And the ride to Kimberly Cummings from Zebulon, North Carolina. And in third for the challenge, we have entry 14:02. 14:02 is Bridget Deedy, rider in Durham, North Carolina. Oh, boy, God. So folks, here in just a moment, calculate the champion reserve champion points for the pre-adult hunter division, and then we will invite the preach gold ring. Send the ring for your other side.